Hey guys, Eli here, and on today's video I want to talk about silver and gold stacking and the possibility of buying silver and gold is really boring. Dude, what you talking about? I came to the conclusion that I am no longer buying gold and silver no more. I just retired. I'm selling all my gold and I'm selling all my silver. Oh my gosh, dude, you gone mad. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. I'm still buying silver. But on today's video, I do want to talk about the mindset of every stacker right now. And a lot of people has been reaching out to me and saying, hey, listen, gold and silver has become boring based on what's going on in the world today. And we're starting now. If you guys love to talk about personal finance and mindset and you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, start now by hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And to all my thumbs up squad, make sure you guys show up for this video and leave that thumbs up. It's highly appreciated in getting this video out to more people. And at the same time, make sure you guys leave your comments down in the comments below. And if you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel even more, consider becoming a member of this here channel and check out some of the free resources that you guys can find down in the description below. I think there's like $30 if you download M1 Finance and a free stock on Robinhood and some other stuff down there. Make sure you guys check down there as well. And if you guys want to continue the conversation and talk to like-minded people just like yourself, make sure you guys join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord. We have a section where we talk about gold and silver as well. So stop by and say hi. So man, has the last 2 weeks been a crazy 2 weeks? You're talking about GameStop's going up 100 and 300%. You're talking about AMC's going up to the moon and a whole bunch of people making money. You have somebody over here spending $50,000 on GameStop stock. Try saying that 5 times fast. Trust me, I couldn't do it myself. But they're here spending $50,000 on a stock and 2 years later gaining $22 million. So a lot of average people made money, and then the headwinds of news coming out talking about, oh, the retail investors are fighting the big corporate conglomerates. That's not a word. I said that wrong. Let me try that again. The big corporate conglomerate. The big corporate guys. Oh man, this is what big corporate hedge funds has been doing for the past however long years, and now when it's our turn to do it, they want to go ahead and stop us from doing so. It's been an epic week. I mean, I'm pretty sure we're gonna remember this for a long time to come. But at the same time, what am I seeing in the markets today? I am seeing a whole lot. I mean, I'm talking about a whole lot of greed in the market. And you guys know what Warren Buffett says, and I do believe that when a lot of people are greedy, be fearful. And when a lot of people are fearful, that's when it's time for you to be greedy. So looking at everything that's going on right now, what do you guys believe we're supposed to be doing right now? I mean, dude, it's obvious. I mean, just be greedy, you know? Everybody else is greedy, why not? Exactly. No. You got to be fearful because everybody's in the markets looking for greed. Now that goes back to my topic. Why are silver stackers, and these are people personally emailing me saying like, yeah, you know what? I find silver to be boring. I mean, look at GameStop. GameStop, out of all the stocks, just skyrocketed and made tons of people money. It didn't make tons of people money. It actually took money from the big guys and brought it to the lower guys. That's pretty much, the money was always there. It's just switched hands a little bit, you know? It's equivalent of me having $100 and somebody else coming in my pocket and just take it and they made $100. I no longer have $100 and that person runs off with $100, which caused the markets to be in full-blown distraction mode. Big, huge companies this week released earning calls, and some of these earning calls was phenomenal, but their stocks dive down. Why? Because the stock market is in full-blown distraction. Like, nobody's focusing on the big companies that actually have something of substance to actually offer to people. We're focusing on a company that's way hold on. I got a couple more way overvalued, like GameStop and AMC. So you see a lot of people who stacking gold and who stacking silver and seeing that gold and silver is just relatively just giving one bump up, and they're like, oh my gosh, you know what? I want to make money. A lot of people around me are making money, so I find gold and silver to be boring. And to be honest with you, yes, it may be boring, but boring is not a bad thing, guys. Boring is not a bad thing, because I don't believe that everything that's going on in the market is going to last forever. And the current market we're in right now is very overvalued. And with a market like this, I do believe that it will always correct itself. So all these things that you see going on, all these stocks is going to go up and all, I do believe we're going to see a time sooner rather than later, we're going to see all that correct itself. I'm not saying that the stock market is going to actually crash. I'm just saying that we may view a stock market correction in the near future. So what does this mean for gold and silver? When we do see a correction and people's fearing that their money's in jeopardy, what are they going to tend to do? They're going to want to put their money into a safe haven. So currently, right now, what I'm doing with my gold and silver, to be honest with you, I can tell you guys a real quick story. I had to sell more than half of my stack. I had to sell more than half of my stack, and I pretty much allude to it on yesterday's video, but I did have to sell a big portion of my stack, a stack that I really didn't want to, and it was because of an emergency reason. I really don't feel like going into it in this video here, but to be honest with you, that's what I stacked for, you know, to take care of emergencies so I don't have to take the hit. Even though my stack took the hit, it's like having a full body armor on you. You don't want to go there and get shot with the armor on, but still is there for protection. But right now, what am I doing? I'm actually in fearful mode. And I'm not saying I'm afraid of anything. I'm not saying all that. I'm just saying I'm really stacking up on cash right now to take advantage of any opportunities that we may see. Because I do know one thing. If we do see a big major crash, everything is going to go down, whether it be Bitcoin, whether it be stocks, and potentially gold and silver as well. So I do want to just stack up on a lot of cash right now, and that's all I'm doing right now. Stacking up on a lot of cash. I put everything, all my buyings on hold. Now, if I do find a great deal, whether it be in stocks, whether it be in gold and silver, whether it be in crypto, I will take it, but I'm not going to like, hey, you know what, let me just put everything on there. So yes, to end this video, gold and silver may seem a little bit boring because we're seeing a lot of people making money and we want to be a part of that. It's called the fear of missing out. We don't want to miss out. But to be honest with you, that's just short-term gain. I don't really too much care about short-term gain. I'm really looking for the long-term style. If I invest into something and I'm looking towards the long-term and short-term, I do get some gains. Yeah, I'm happy with that, but I'm looking more towards the long-term. Now, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. But before we go, here is some words from our sponsor, which is me. Hey guys, Eli here. If you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, consider becoming a member of this channel here. Got tons of exclusive content, videos uploaded every Monday through Friday, exclusive video courses. This is how I got thousands of dollars in the bank. Access to Silver Talk Uncut, Bald Head Shiny Guy. Access to a members monthly giveaway. Congratulations. A whole bunch of extra content. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave that thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. Make sure you guys check down in the description below for some awesome resources. And have a beautiful day.